by a score of 2-1. The lone Maple Leaf goal by Phil Kessel, whose sister Amanda scored the winning goal in the gold medal game for the World Championships for the United States over Canada last night.
Boy, high hit here by Anton Volchenkov. He leads with his elbow. I mean, this should be a 5-minute penalty. No intent at all to play the puck. He just led with his elbow and hit Marchand right up in the head.
He's going to leave. Volchenkov's leaving. Brian Mock's taking him out.
And right there, that is just, that's a suspendable hit. There's no doubt about that by Volchenkov. Not a smart play at all. Puck is down on the ice. Brad Marchand is there, and he leads with the elbow.
It's been a rough night for Brad Marchand. Earlier, just left with Donnie Del Negro, the physically impaired man with the glasses right there on the edge of them. Eddie, that's a suspension.
Absolutely.
There's no way you can say that's not a suspension.
Again, leading with your elbow, leading with your forearm. Made no attempt to play the puck at all. And then Jaromir Jagr, after it happened, came in and gave a shot to Volchenkov in the back. I mean, these are the type of plays you want to eliminate when the player makes no attempt to play the puck on the ice.
How would you describe that hit?
Suspendable, dirty play by Volchenkov, a needless play, and he will pay a price from Brendan Shanahan. He's been suspended once previously. It was a couple of years ago. It was an elbow against the Carolina Hurricanes, and this is just a brutal play. Marchand goes down there, obviously in a lot of discomfort when he left the game. The elbow's up, no play on the puck, and it's a simple one. It's a play that should not happen.
Yeah, he put on the brakes too, Marchand, and Volchenkov extended the elbow, so that one spells trouble.
Make any sense?
Makes no sense. It's a little cowardly and a little dirty and totally unnecessary, and he should get a good one for that.
Suspension.
Again, leading with your elbow, leading with your forearm. Made no attempt to play the puck at all. And then Jaromir Jagr, after it happened, came.
Sean goes down there, obviously in a lot of discomfort when he left the game.